Hello, I'm Brando from Philippines, and I would like to introduce the iSeacon company product, and which is iSean H1C210 soldering pen with HP SE charging port. Okay, let's begin. I have a soldering pen. Open it. This one. Okay. And this is the pen. Very small and easy to hold. And this is the charger. Type-C charger. Okay, very good. And now this is the power supply. Power adapter of the soldering pen. And this is the tip that we use later. Okay, now and this was the power adapter HPS 65 with power of 65 watts. Look, 65 watts. Okay, and the output is input 100 240 volts. Okay, and 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, now let's begin. I will do this to you. And you need to check that. Okay, just put in the plug and then just on the ground to safe, and you can pin in the ground for our safety. Okay, let's begin. Just put the adapter and then have to open. Okay. Oh, very colorful design screen. iSeacon H1, this one, you see. And check the display. Okay. You can put the tip, very easy, and then you can adjust. Look at the monitor. Okay, check it out. Check this out. Okay, you can adjust into 400 to 400. Okay, you see the smoke. Okay, very good. And now, let us test how it works. And also we have the soldering pen bracket. You see, this is the one. And put this, when you take a rest, and then you can use it to clean the tip. And this was the iSean H1C210 model. Okay, look at this. Check this out. Come on. Oh, very good. Easy. Okay. Just easy. And then look at the tip. Okay. Okay. There's nothing. And then when you put it and clean it, easy. Back to normal. Very good design. And while you work, you can charge your phone. This one. With the Type-C fast charger. Very good. Okay. This was the iSean H1C210 soldering pen from iSeacon company. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.